Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to create Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open settings, then tap on sign into your Galaxy. And from here, just tap on forgot password or don't have an account. And from this list, just select create account. From here, tap on I'm over 13 and select I have read and agreed to all the above and select agree. Now from here, just enter your email address with which you want to create your Samsung account. After you enter your email address, then tap on next. And in this section, just enter the password of the email address. After you enter the password of the email address, then tap on next. Now in this section, just enter your date of birth. After you enter your date of birth, now in this section, just enter your first name. Then tap on next. And in this section, just enter your last name. Then tap on done. Tap on next. Now in this section, just enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, then tap on send. Now after doing that, you will receive a verification code on the phone number which you have entered. Now we have received our verification code through a phone call, but you can receive it through a text message. Now after you enter the verification code, just select verify. Select setup later. And after doing that, you will create your Samsung account. And this is how you can create a Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.